Hey guys, I'm super excited to talk to you about Apple's new framework ARKit, which is going to make it super easy for you to implement augmented reality in your applications. So first of all, let us see a demo of what exactly is augmented reality. So just now you saw a cool demo of implementing Super Mario game in real world. This is what augmented reality really is. That is placing virtual objects in real world. So let's now make our first augmented reality application using ARKit. What we'll be making is a very simple augmented reality app in which we are going to place some 3D text in real world, just as shown in the video. Open up Xcode, create a new Xcode project. We'll select this augmented reality app template as it provides a good starting point for developing our augmented reality apps. Click Next, type a product name. I'll just name it AR text, then click Next, create the project. Now let's go to ViewController.swift file. As we can see, we have this demo template code already provided by Apple. Now let's see what some of it means. Now we have imported this SceneKit as well as ARKit framework. SceneKit framework is used for developing 3D objects and ARKit framework is used for placing those 3D objects in real world. We also have this scene view variable which is of type ARSCN This is basically used for displaying a view of live camera feed in which we are going to display our 3D objects. Now all the code that we are going to write in this video will be in this viewDidLoad method. Now we already have this demo code given to us, but we don't need the last 3 lines of it. So I'm just going to delete it. Now as we know, we have to create 3D text and place it in our real environment. So what is the first thing that comes to our mind? It is what should be the text that we are going to display and what should be the thickness of the text. It can be achieved through this line of code. It says let text is equal to scn text and provides 2 parameters. One is the string that we want to display, the other one is the extrusion depth which specifies the thickness of our 3D text. Second step is to assign the color to our 3D text. It can be achieved through these 3 lines of code. First line creates a material object, the second line sets the color to that material, and the third line assigns the material to our text. Now we already have our text and we have assigned a color to it, but we still don't know where that text is placed in a real world in terms of x, y, and z coordinates. So let's assign coordinates to our 3D text. The first line creates a node object. A node is basically a coordinate object. The second line assigns the position to the node in terms of x, y, and z coordinates. You can play around with these values to get what best suits you. The third line scales down the object to 10 centimeters. The fourth line sets the geometry of the node to the text that we made. The last step is to place our 3D text in the live camera feed. That is, assign the 3D text as a child node of scene view. It can be achieved through this line of code. sceneview.scene.rootNode.addChildNode. Now to make it more realistic, we can assign shadows to our text. It can be done through this last line, that is sceneview.AutoEnableDefaultLightning is equal to true. Now that we have written all the code, I'll just copy it into Xcode and run the application. And what you'll see is this.